Today's poem is one I've carried around in my mind for years, one whose language I flash to instinctively when I see a flock of birds, especially a murmuration of starlings. I think of the phrase never-ending birds, a phrase coined not by the speaker of this poem, but by the speaker's child. This is Never-Ending Birds by David Baker. That's us, pointing to the clouds. Those are clouds of birds now we see, one whole cloud of birds. There we are, pointing out the car windows. October, gray, blue, white oleo of birds. Never-ending birds, you called the first time. Years we say it, the three of us, any two of us. One of those just endearments, apt clarities, kiss on the lips of hope. I have another house, now you have two. That's us pointing with our delible whirls into the far away, the true-born blue-white unfeathering cloud of another year, another sheet of their never-ending. There's your mother, wetting back your wild curl. I'm your father. That's us three, pointing up. Dear girl, they will not. It's us, we, who do.